natin yung terms and conditions and policy and privacy. Okay, see this? Dito nyo ma-change yung boilerplate, guys. If gusto nyo i-fill out to, eto. For example, yan. Yung mga brackets, change nyo lang yan sa course, sa details nyo. For example, your company's name, Elegant Rest. Yan. Click Save. Okay, so eto na yung online store natin, guys, na na-edit natin. Ngayon, lagyan natin ng navigation bar dito. Okay? Let's go to themes. Ito yung website natin, yung active, customize, and then sa header. Punta kayo sa header, guys. Now go to settings and then select menu. Okay, menu, go for the primary menu. Okay, so menu, shop, and about us. This one is for the footer. Alright, let's go to primary. So save, and then it should reflect here. There you go. Okay, so exit muna tayo. Now let's go to navigation, guys. Dito natin ma-edit yan. Pwede tayo mag-delete, mag-add, and mag-rename. But for now, let's add, okay? So, alright, nag-add tayo, new item, save muna natin. Para makita nyo. Ayun, new item, nag-reflect na siya. Now, i-edit natin yan. So, for this one, if gusto nyong ma-specify itong button na to, for example, chairs. This is for the chairs products, okay? So under ng chairs, nandun yung mga types of chairs like stool chair, side chair, or armchair. Okay? So i-rename natin chairs. The link is for the category. Okay, chairs. Now, yung sub-menu niya, guys, yan yung mga types of chairs na products nyo. For example, this one. This is for the side chairs. And then, click natin yung tag. Kasi dun sila naka-separate. Side chair. And then, mag-add na naman tayo ng sub-menu. Edit. And then we're done with the side chair, right? So this one is for armchairs. And then yung link, armchair, okay, there you go. So for example, guys, marami pa kayong like meron kayong stool chair, and then since hindi tayo naka-edit kanina, but let's just imagine that meron siya dito, okay? So yeah, let's just add that. So click save, and then it should reflect here. There. Now dito, guys, if I click chairs, lahat ng mga chairs is what do you call this, lalabas dito. Now, if i-click ko yung mga sub-menu niya, yung mga side sub-menus, specified lang yung mga products niya according sa kanilang tags. Okay, na-click ko. Sorry. Okay, side chairs, and then armchairs, okay? Para ma-segregate siya. Okay. So let's say na may table kayo, edit nyo lang to. This is for the tables. Okay, categories, tables. And then round table. Tables, click, tags. For example, merong round tables dito. Click nyo lang yan. And then, dining tables. Ayun. So, tags pa rin. Click nyo yung dining tables here. And then, apply changes. And then, save. Okay, let's go back. There you go. Ito na yung specified product for the tables. Menu, specified menu for the tables. So, what type of tables? Okay, round tables. Ayun. And then dining tables. And then so on and so forth. Malalagyan nyo pa to dito, guys, through here. You can add more. There. Kasi hindi natin siya naka-target, so it will just go back to the menu. Alright?